Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. Today it is bargain of the week and I have something so much fun and I'm so glad I found it. It's kind of a dupe, but it is definitely multi-purpose and very useful. I couldn't think of another word, but I'm looking a little pale, would you say? I have all my makeup on except for bronzer, blush, and highlighter. So let's try the Coastal Scents blush and bronzer palette. Oh my gosh, right? Is that the funnest? This actually is so incredibly inexpensive on their website. I don't know if you guys are familiar with Coastal Scents, but they are a very, I see their stuff everywhere. I think I got something of theirs in a Birchbox a long time ago. And they reached out to me and they sent me a whole lovely box of goodies and I was like, I mean, yeah, a box of makeup is just this girl's dream come true. Okay, so I'm going through it and then I see this and I'm just like, this is so much fun. And so I've been using this for a few weeks now because it's just so stinking cute. It has luminizer, it has highlighter, bronzer, blush, and it has, I think, blush shades that are good for light and dark skins. And I feel like the bronzers and the I keep doing that. The highlighters are also like not only dramatic but subtle. So like, look at this blush color right here. That is a very vibrant blush. That is a very vibrant blush shade, and I may not wear that so much myself, but isn't it nice to see choices? Oh, look at that. That's like a rose. Actually, that's kind of perfect for me. This one that I just this one. And then this one is quite subtle. Here, I'm already swatching it for you. But yeah, so those are the blush shades. Oh, I forgot one. This is kind of a mauve, if you really like a cool tone. So there's that. And then look at this. Now you've got a bronzer kind of trio you can use for highlight, luminizing, bronzing. That's more for a darker skin. And then this one right here is for a lighter skin because it has a combination of highlighter and bronzer in it and a little bit of blush. And then this is like a really good contour shade. Look at that. See? I kind of dug that in. Here, let's do that again. I was like, but that's kind of perfect contour slash bronzer, however you want to use that. And then this is a highlighter shade, but it's not super sparkly. It's just kind of more subtle. Just soft and pretty. And then this center little cheetah deal with the blush and the bronzer and the highlighter. So you can kind of swirl it all together. It does pick up more bronzer than anything. And actually that highlighter is more of just like a lighter bronzer. But look at all the fun stuff you have to play with. I know that, I think, was it Tarte that has or had this kind of book of bronzers and blushes, and I never got that. I think Tarte, I think the bigger brands all have a version or have had a version of this kind of blush book. So you can go to the Coastal Scents website, and I want to say this goes on sale and on special. Like, they always have different website specials, so it's like 30% off, or it's a reduction, so it's like $9.99 or it's $15.99, but it's super cheap. So check it out and play with it, or you know, get things to play with. So I'm going to put on everything. I'm going to do blush. I'm going to use blush. I'm going to use highlighter. And I'm going to do something else for bronzer. I think I'm actually going to do my fan brush thing I do for bronzer. That's just been kind of my go-to. And I'm going to start with this contour. I'm using this as contour. The packaging is great. It's just that sort of cardboard paper, but I know it doesn't have a mirror. However, that just basically keeps the price down for you. It also helps you be able to kind of recycle the packaging when you're all done with it. Like, there's only so many mirrors I need. So I have everything on right now, and I'm just gonna contour right here. And I am also going to go down my nose. I'm actually going to go into that peachy shade. This one right here. I've got really pink eyeshadow on today. It's a combination of Shop Hush, Okalan palette, and ooh, Suva Beauty. No, which one is it? Is it Suva Beauty or... No, it's Saucebox. I haven't talked about them in a while, but they're awesome. And now I'm going to go into the designated highlighter shade so we can just see how subtle it is. It's pretty, huh? And then maybe I'll go over again with that other kind of highlighter trio, and we can see the difference. I'm just going to go in with an e.l.f. brush, and I'm going to swirl my brush in that highlighter trio, and I'm going to put it up here. So I'm kind of getting bronze and yes, so I look sun-kissed. I'm going to also go in the little cheetah, the center, pick up more color. Yeah. So as you can see, now I can take a second fan brush that I haven't used yet on anything else. This is an LA Colors fan brush for like $4. And I'm going in that stripe of highlighter right here. This one is a little more dramatic than that highlighter pan. And we're gonna just pop that on right there. Right there. And down the nose. I know, right? So there, now I feel better. Now I feel more complete. I'm gonna go down my neck. I always take bronzer down my neck and chest in summer. Yeah, because it makes everything blend, meld together. So there you have it, you guys. This is bargain of the week, and it is so fun. It's just fun, you know? So I hope you like it. I will leave a link for you below. I don't have a discount code separately, but just know that Coastal Scents has sales all the time, and they have so many great products. Their eyeshadows I'm falling in love with. So yeah, so I will probably be showing you more stuff because that's what I do, right? I just love to find things that are inexpensive, test them out, and play with them. So there you have it, guys. Coastal Scents blush and bronzer palette and highlighter. So many good things all in one. I hope you are subscribed to my channel, and click that notification bell if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.